In this video, we'll show you how to terminate the 100-213 Excel Category 6 UTP unscreened angled keystone jack with Excel's Category 6 U UTP cable. You'll need a peg-style cable stripper and multi-purpose side cutters. Strip about 40mm off the cable jacket using the cable stripper. Score the sheath, bend to break it, and remove the jacket. Use the side cutters to remove the ripcord and X-shaped cross filler. Insert the cable through the termination cap, then untwist and fan out the pairs. Following the colour code on the cap, insert the wires into their designated slots. Double check that the wires are in the correct position, then trim the excess. Position the cap on the keystone IDCs, ensuring correct orientation. Push down the cap and close the wings,